In this video, you are going to learn how to set up Google Analytics remove from cart event for Shopify store using Google Tag Manager.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I have more than 6 years of working experience. So if you need my assist, feel free to contact me. Details on this video description. Let's back to this topic.
So guys, this is our demo Shopify web store and we are going to track the remove from cart. So let's see what is remove from cart. So for example, if someone view your product, then add to cart your product and then view cart your product. And for example, I just add to cart on the two product at the same time. So let's do the another product. Why is this one? So add to cart and view cart. So just think, your customer are try to buy the two product, but somehow they like they have in problem and they are not able to purchase one product and they are continue one product. So they actually remove one product from cart, but they are interested to buy that product. So that's mean this product are targeted to that audience. So that's why remove from cart is sometimes important for business owner who actually push them to try that product on that audience. Okay, so that's why this on is important. Now we are going to track that event for Google Analytics and we are using Google Tag Manager to send that event. So if you watch my last couple of episode, you can understand how to set up that. Okay, also I have made a playlist which is Shopify tracking solution. If you complete that event, all videos, that this episode will be useful. I recommend you just watch all video and you can learn everything for Shopify tracking. Okay, let's close it. And now we are on the tag manager. I just want to give you a quick overview what we did. We actually connect Google Tag Manager to our website. Just simply copy this code and paste it under the head tag of our Shopify store. And then we are connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager with this tag. We just simply copy the data stream measurement ID, like this is the measurement ID. We just simply copy and paste it here and then our analytics was connected. Okay, now it's time to configure the view remove from cart. You can see we already make 3 e-commerce event from the last couple of episode. Now let's go to preview and try to configure remove from cart. Okay, you can see, of course you should input your website URL there, and when the website is connected on Google Analytics preview mode, just go to cart if you already have product on this cart section, and now delete that button. That means the product has been removed from that cart. So you can see we have got another unique event which is remove from cart. Okay, so remove from cart, we are now making this event, and if I expand the data layer here, you can see that product information we are seeing here. So that means we are able to send that product information to our Google Analytics, and then we can make easily custom audience and run custom like ad campaign on them. Okay, so our Google Analytics is connected already. So now it's make the new tag. So you already know if we want to send any specific event to our analytics, we need to configure the tag. And you can see here is the two part, tag configure and trigger. We are hitting on the box which is tag configuration and then select Google Analytics event. So it's a GA4 event. So just select it, and you can see here we need to input the measurement ID that we actually, you can see when you visit the data streams, and it's under the data collections. It's you can see it's under the admin section, and then you can see this is the measurement ID. Just copy it and paste it, and if you have installed the Google tag at the beginning for installing Google Analytics 4, you can see this blue check mark. So that's mean Google tag found in this container. Okay, and it is done. Now it's a time to set up the event name. Okay, so where you will get the event name. So event name actually this one. So this is the event name, but sometime it can be different. So where you need to find the event. So if you search on Google GA4 standard event, then you should see Google Analytics all standard event, and you can also see the remove from cart. It's actually the same event name that we are seeing on our backend of preview mode. Okay, but always you should copy the name from Google documentation and follow their step. So exact same name, and you can see here is the 5 important standard event they always recommend to send. So it's a parameter and we need to send that. Okay, let's send that information to our analytics via parameter. Okay, so always I recommend you to use this extension to make the data layer variable code and pull that event. So we already made them. If you watch the last couple of episode, you can understand. So we actually send that 5 standard event we throw the event parameter. Just simply copy it from here and paste it here. It's a value, then items, then event ID, and then item name. Always I try to follow to do my work using that official documentation, because there is no chance to do wrong setup. So that's why it's here, and now we need to pull that value. So if you watched my previous couple of episodes, you can understand how we made our this variable. Just simply, so if I want to give you a quick overview, just simply copy this left part for pulling that event name. Okay, so or dot, it's a product information. Just copy this one and make a variable like for value. Just you have to select value. So if you want to make the value variable, just simply copy a value. Where is the value? So this one, not is a value, it's a price. It's a ecommerce.item slash 0 slash price. Just copy it and paste it and give a name. It will be the variable. So that's just like this. I already made them, so that's why I'm just selecting. Okay, you can see it's actually the same. So, and if you see this check mark, that means this information we are doing accurately. Okay, so it's items, it's just a product array. So items, and it says item IDs, it's product ID, and item name, which is item name. Okay, so that's it. And now we need to make the trigger. Always we use the custom event because we are seeing the event name here. So if you don't see event here, that means you should choose another event or another trigger. Okay, so the view remove from cart we have inputted here, and simply input the same name of this trigger name, and then hit the save button. And now it's actually ready. Just give a name, which is this one, this name, and save it. Okay, So it's now remove from cart, it's ready, and now it's time to test. Because always I recommend you to guys, you should test after finish your work, because yeah, you can understand, you can be 100% sure about your work. Okay, let's do a add to cart, and then view my cart, and then remove from cart. So that was actually our event. This is remove from cart, and you can see we all the parameter are triggering that value. So that's mean our setup is done. So you can understand everything, I hope, and if you don't understand, you can comment down below. So that's it.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.